Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Y6s, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key, so you can shut off the device. And select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume up. Both of those keys at the same time. Power, volume up. And once you see the Huawei logo, we can let go. So right now. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, to access the safe mode, all you need to do is tap on safe mode right at the bottom. And the device will power off right now and boot back up into the safe mode. So let's just wait for it to turn back on. And you can see the message right here, safe mode. So now the device is in safe mode and only the essential apps are working. Anything else that might have been interfering with the device will be disabled. Just for testing if there's something wrong with your device or is it some app that is interfering. Basically the purpose of this mode. So that is how you'd access it. And if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key and this time select restart. So right here, and once more. And once the device turns back on, it will be back into the normal mode. And there we go, we're back into the normal Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.